Welcome to Jive Training. I'm going to show you how to use the speed dial keys on the Polycom VVX 411. Speed dial keys allow you to call your favorite contacts with the touch of a button using the additional line keys on your phone. If enabled by your system administrator, your contact directory will be populated with all the lines on your system. The first line key on your phone is reserved for your line and cannot be used for speed dial. To add a speed dial contact, press the Home key. Select the directory icon. And then choose Contact Directory. To add a new contact, press the Add Soft key. Then enter a first name, last name, and external number or internal extension. The numbers 2 through 9 also represent letters, and names can be spelled on your phone by pressing a number repeatedly until you see the desired letter. When you're ready to input another field, press the down navigation control. The contact with the lowest speed dial index will be associated with the line 2 key for single touch dialing. Press the Save Soft key to complete the process. If you have additional questions, please read our online documentation or contact our support team who would be glad to assist you.